Moose. How you doing, Moose?
Heel. Hey guys, I'm out at Tractor Supply Company with German Shepherd mix puppy Moose, who's doing really well prioritizing me over the distracted environment and sticking to his commands like this nice heel and auto sit when I stop. Good job. Heel. Good boy. So Moose has already been out to a few different public places like the home improvement store, a pet store, downtown, the park, many places every day. But it's still important to take our dogs to as many different environments as possible to make sure that they can roll with the punches when they go home with their family. A nice distracting environment like Tractor Supply Company with chickens, other dogs, different types of people is really helpful to expose our dog to all the things they might encounter in their real life. Good job, Moose. Come. Sit. Good job. Heel.